to Gateshead Old People's Assembly. We're an organisation which exists to support the health and well-being of older people living in Gateshead, and that's anyone aged over 50. We specifically focus on preventing falls, preventing loneliness and isolation, and malnutrition are the three key issues that a lot of older people in Gateshead face.
Today we have got our community cafe, the Cozy Grow. That's the Pay What You Can Community Cafe, which is open Wednesdays and Thursdays. Right now in our hall we've got a dancer-sized class which runs every Wednesday. We have usually 20 to 25 people who come along and take part in that.
We recognise that people don't experience, all of these things on their own. So, falls prevention, malnutrition prevention, and prevention of loneliness and isolation all need to happen together. So this is our community garden. This is a wonderful, relaxing, often very sunny place in which people can just come and relax and enjoy themselves. What it is it's an opportunity for people to come out and just enjoy themselves. But we always stipulate that everything must be edible because we've got a community cafe. We try and use as much of the stuff that we grow in the cafe so that we can support people with as little money as possible.